Here we go, South Miami Beach. If you're looking something special in this video, we will show you. 1 bedroom, 2 bathroom, 2 stories. A very special condo. Looks like a toy, looks like a hobby, looks like your tranquil nest for your soul, for your friends, for your family, and for yourself. And let me know if you're interested in this one or any other one unit. We will be more than glad to give you some details or find some other property in case if you're looking for something else. Enjoy the video.